Hi, my name is Sarah Campbell, and I am the resident pro for piano here at Musical U. And this month's resource pack is all about chord voicings. So we're going to be talking about inversions and how we invert a triad, how we invert a seventh chord. We're going to be talking about voicing, how we distribute those notes among the hands, and then we're going to talk about how we can take that knowledge and apply it to a very simple tune that should be rather familiar to you. Let's get started. First, we have C on the bottom. Now I'm going to flip it to the top. Okay, and then I'm going to play it all with one hand. This is first inversion. So we started with our root position. Now we have first inversion. And then we can do that same process. We're going to take the E and flip it onto the top. And that is second inversion. And if we do that one more time and take the G and put it onto the top, we're back to root position. I kind of think of this like chocolate chip cookies, right? If I gave you a bunch of chocolate chip cookie dough, you could shape it into different shapes. And you could bake them. They might look different, but the ingredients are the same. They still taste good. They still taste like chocolate chip cookies. And so that's what we have here with inversions. Same notes, same ingredients, but they look different. They even kind of sound a little bit different because your ear is always going to be led to the note that's on the top. So it's a nice voicing here. My left hand's not too heavy. It's got this like nice open sound in the bottom. My right hand's filling in that third that the left hand's not playing.